just to be safe. And by we, I mean you.
Smashing a ratty bell again? Oh, that could have been more creative.
When we get there, make sure to wreck that odious thing quickly. Even Imperial bells give me a headache.
Off to work, Ringbarazzi. Rats and vermin, sneak and squeak. Guard your hole from deep to feed. A stormman, and it's a castle like. Impressive, but can you do it again? Stormman, coming through. Sigma curse, you keep up. The abomination falls. It's a transformer. Blackling gunner! The gun that is dead! Daughter is gone. Take out the Warfire thrower! Here. Chaos warriors! By the hammer, the gun that is dead! One Kazaki Doom viewer! Your side, storm vermin!
Fiery balls!
I shall smite these storm vermin! Weapons up! It's the tougher!
So much for warp You're the rappiest ever round!
Nefarious gas rats! Lower the ears down! Leech squat! Leech! Slay it swiftly! Not bad for a fellow with one eye.
Sigma guides my stripes, Master Dwarf.
Fall! Foul abomination! Good boy! Come here, Watson! No, no. Try again! Oh! Bloody sick! Hey! Here's where the action is! Ammunition!
There's a hook rat coming for us. Seems to me both Ratties and Northlanders have much in common.
Beyond their flagrant heresies, you mean?
Well, both lots smell like a dead goat in a latrine, so there's that.
Poetically put, pardon?
I try, Zarin, I try.
Holy justice!
I see you, shield vermin!
I've caught you bigger, Dory! What a war cry! Sigma! A fire rat!
Damn it!
Listen! There's a blight stormer somewhere close.
Warp flames!
One less Rakita!
The star vermin! It shall be slain!
Mind the shielded ones!
Come on, up here!
This toe is steeped in wickedness.
A blight stormer! The air thickens with filth!
Someone kill that floating strangler!
I'll burn you, shield or not.
That packmaster will trouble us no
On a
more!
trail of flames!
Not these black-fur bastards again!
That storm vermin has a shield!
Healing stuff!
Black rat! It shall fall!
Bladecaster! More black rats!
Foul machinery is no match for an Imperial king!
Come on then, we'll have ya!
Death comes easily to you, Zaltzpayr.
I bring death where death is needed. Join me in righteous slaughter!
There! Chaos warrior!
Justice finds thee!
Good stern apparatus!
Flank the blasphemous thing!
Bloody battering ram, that's what I am! And armored!
Mighty duo!
Let the fire rat! Someone kill it!
You'd be better aiming for the head! There's more room here!
Get the vile pieces down!
Over here! Easy pickings for you! Only a doorway!
A most necessary potion!
If only there was time, I'd rouse a pyre for that.
The black stormer, that is!
The warp fire thrower is dead!
Stay close to me, you see the path? Assassin rat's dead!
Gas rat! And it draws nigh!
Up here!
Medical supplies!
Can you not parry, wizard?
That gas rat needs to die!
Gas rat's dead!
Save it for later, Zaltzpayr! Only inside! Oh!
Sigma! I see a storm vermin! Gas rat's dead!
hear something? Gas rats!
Poison rat's dead!
Oh, good kill, sir! Keep your elbow up! Doors open!
You damn! And you, Rubam, I think he is one of my...
That Rakizar needs to die, eh? Watch out! Oh, Vermin!
Look out! Poison!
Glomadier trying to blow! Come on, then! I'll give you one for free! Take your best shot! Ha! Eat my steel, gas rat!
A packmaster! It shall perish! Beware! The vermin are driven to frenzy by the bell!
Oh, Bill's gone crazy!
That's some real red-hot news, darling!
War funding!
Against you, now watch your flames!
That's a gutter! Stop vermin! Now that's a fitting end for it. Don't you agree?
One less cracky bell! Here, such a thing! You stink stronger than you try! You like bubbles to look at you! Someone give me a reel!
Turn it and fire!
Your name is
That's it, boy!
Twice the
Those
glory!
big warm footsteps! And a warm heart! Slay that thing!
Good shot, sir!
Oh, that ogre is hardly a challenge for a marksman.
All the same, good shot.
Look right over here!
Are you showing your true southwest? No more flames my way!
Sir, nice your aim.
There! Stop, vermin!
I'll see you for that, Zaltzpayr! Potion here! Unheal the fire! That's it, burn! Follow the fire, darling! Chaos! Blaze like a torch! Drop shield!
Dory, I think it's time we found the port and we've held guard to it all.